So today guys, we're cleaning another roof. There's myself, there's Brett, and Sam somewhere. There he is, Sammy boy. So yeah, we've got the house and garage roof to clean. There is 3 of us with 2 machines, so we should be done in record time. Just goes pressure washing the tiles off, cleaning up and treating the roof. Let's just go around the back and take a look. I have to excuse my voice on this one, I'm all bunged up, but still got to get the work done. Can't really see much because of how high the house is from the garden, but there you go. Let's take a close look at the tiles. As you can see, there's quite a bit on there, but it's a straightforward job. What I'll do now is take a closer look. So yeah, there's quite a bit of moss up there. All the tiles are covered in algae and light chip. Have a quick look at the garage. And then we'll get a close up of the cleaning. So as you can see, we're using the turbo nozzle again. It's cold water, pressure's around about 100 bar. It's coming off nice and easy. As always, what we do is we pressure wash it all off, and then we'll treat the tiles afterwards, just to prolong any regrowth. These tiles are so easy to clean, obviously with it being a flat profile. We've got obviously Brett here on the garage, making good progress so far. We've got Sammy boy on the main house roof, which we'll go to now. As you can see, there's a lot more moss on the house. So let's take a close look on the house roof. There we go, you can see the turbo there just ripping through all the moss and algae again. Obviously this footage is just all raw, unedited. This is what I keep seeing in the comments you're all asking for. You want close-ups and raw footage. So here you go. Obviously if there's anything else you want to see, drop a comment below and let us know. This roof was meant to be done yesterday, but due to the minus freezing weather we've been having, it was -4, we turned up. Obviously the roof was frozen over like an ice rink. There was no way we could have cleaned the roof. So we came back today, and that's the reason. Put an extra guy on the job and an extra machine. At the moment we're about an hour and a half into the job. We're making good progress. I'm confident we'll have this roof cleaned and treated today. There's going to be quite a lot of cleaning up to do, obviously just due to the sheer amount of moss. But that's why 2 are doing the clean and 1's on the ground cleaning up. Once we've pressure washed the roof off, obviously we will rinse all the last remaining little bits off, clear all the guts and the debris. There's back then to do. Look at the view there of lovely Wolverhampton. At least the sun's out. What I'm going to do now is just speed the camera up a little so the video is not 2 hours long. So as you can see, he's just on the last stretch now, the front. We've got Brett up there just rinsing all the little bits off. Luckily the tarpaulin's caught a lot of the moss there, so it's just a case of wrapping that up and it makes it tidy up a hell of a lot quicker. Well, that's the front done. Let's get round to the back. You can see Brett there in the far right hand corner, just cleaning up the neighbours. Pressure washing a roof is a very messy job, so we like to keep everywhere as clean as possible and obviously clean all the neighbours, make sure they're all happy. Oh, there we go, a big chunk of moss up the camera, sorry about that guys. So that's the clean nearly done. Obviously we'll rinse the back off there and clear all the gutter and debris. And that's the actual clean itself complete. Last run now. And what we'll do is we'll take a look at the treatment being applied to the tiles. So that's the clean done. Now it's just the post treatment. Every roof we clean we always post treat. Just helps kill any remaining growth on the tile, whether it be in the gaps, under the lip, actually deep in the concrete itself. Obviously it will prolong any regrowth for a number of years. You can see we're giving the tiles a good soak in there to ensure that the roof is fully protected. The garage is nearly done. We've already done the house. So let's take a look at the finished article. As you can see, it looks 100 times better than it did this morning. Managed to get the clean done in 4 hours. House and garage treated, cleaned up, job done. There's a before. And an after. As you can see, it's still a bit wet there from the treatment. Another before there. And after. As you can see, it's really standing out and looking great. So as always, hope you enjoyed the video guys. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe and drop us a comment below to let us know what you want to see in the next one. Cheers.